Next one, vitamin. Vitamins are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Vitamins are called micronutrients because they are needed in only very small quantities. They all have chemical names, but they are usually refers to by letters. Main function of vitamins. Vitamins are essential to the body to maintain health, to prevent deficiency diseases such as beriberi. It basically weakens muscles, heart, nerves, and digestive system, and rickets, softening of the bones, to regulate the repair of body cells, to help compact the aging process, to help to process carbohydrates and release energy in the vitamins are basically divided into two main categories. First one, water soluble, vitamin B and C. Next, fat soluble, vitamin A, D, E, K. First one, water soluble, cannot be stored in body, regular supply needed. Excess is excreted in urine, no danger of toxic level. Unstable to heat and light, leach into cooking liquids. Fat soluble, can be stored in body, regular supply not needed. Can accumulate to toxic level if large amount ingested. Fairly stable at normal cooking temperature. First one is vitamin A. There are two forms of vitamin A, retinol and beta carotene. Retinol is named because of the retina, only found in animal food. Beta carotene, plant source, present with chlorophyll in plants, converted to vitamin A in the gut wall. Functions of vitamin A: regulates growth, promotes healthy skin, maintenance of healthy tissue, helps eye adapt to dim light. Sources: retinol, cod liver oil, liver, dairy product, herrings, egg yolk. Beta carotene, dark green leaf vegetables, broccoli, carrot, deep orange fruits and vegetables. Vitamin A effects of deficiency: retarded growth, malformed bones, long term may leads to night blindness, susceptibility to infection, excess beta carotene may leads to liver and bone damage. Vitamin D, calciferols, function: absorption and laying down of calcium and phosphorus in bones and teeth. Regulate calcium balance between bones and blood. Prevents rickets. Source: sunlight conversion, fish liver oil, dairy product, oily fish and margarine. Vitamin D effects of deficiency: rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Conditions where bones are soft and cannot take weight of body. Osteoporosis. Bones become light, less dense and prone to fracture. Dental caries. Vitamin E, tocopherol. Function: protect tissue against damage, promote normal growth and development, help in normal red blood cells formation. Source: pure vegetable oil, wheat, wholemeal bread and cereals, egg yolk, nuts, sunflower seed. Vitamin E deficiency. Deficiency is very rare, but it could affect the central nervous system. Vitamin K, naphthoquinone, function needed for blood clotting, which means it helps wound heal properly. There is increasing evidence that vitamin K is also needed to help build strong bonds. Source: green leaf vegetable oil, cereals. Deficiency of vitamin K. Deficiency is very rare, but individuals with liver damage and newborn infants are at higher risk. Vitamin B1, thiamine, function essential for releasing of energy from carbohydrates, necessary for appetite and good health, needed for normal function of nerve system. Source: meat, oatmeals, breakfast cereals, wheat, fortified white flour, milk, eggs, vegetables. Deficiency of vitamin B1. Fatigue, depression, irritability, beriberi, diseases of nerve system. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, function metabolism of carbohydrates, protein and fats, growth, repair, development of body tissue, healthy skin, eye and tongue. The principal growth promoting factors in the vitamin B complex. Source: offal, milk, cheese, eggs, yeast extract, green vegetables. Deficiency of vitamin B2. Loss of appetite, swollen tongue, cracked lips, eye infection. Vitamin B3. Niacin. Function metabolism of carbohydrates, protein and fats, needed for normal function of nerve system. Source: meat, offal, yeast extracts, yeast, bran, wheat, flour, some pulses, dried fruits. Deficiency of vitamin B3. Fatigue, depression, irritability. Beriberi is a disease of nerve system. Vitamin B9, folic acid, function red blood cells formation, development of brain, spinal cord and skeleton in fetus, reduce risk of neural tube defects, example spina bifida, may play role preventing heart attack, stroke and cancer. Source: fortified cereals, green leaf vegetables, potatoes, bread, milk, wheat. Deficiency of vitamin B9. Fatigue in middle case, anemia in severe case, neural tube defects. Important to take folic acids prior to consumption and vital during first 3 months pregnancy. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, function critical to immune system, formation of connective tissue, collagen, help absorption of iron, prevents scurvy, promotes healing of wound and healthy blood vessels, act as antioxidant, protects cholesterol. Source: rosins, blackcurrant, green peppers, kiwi, citrus fruits, strawberries, spinach, cabbage, broccoli. Vitamin C deficiency, weakening of connective tissue, susceptibility to infection, incomplete iron absorption, delayed healing of wound, prevent scurvy, pale skin with white spot, bleeding,